Hi, I'm Erin Walker, owner of Body Love Wellness, a holistic wellness community for women. And today we're going to talk about what to eat to balance your hormones. This can often be overwhelming to try to figure out where do I begin because there are so many fads, there are so many diets, there are so many conflicting opinions. So I'm going to break it down and keep it real simple for you today on what the combination of foods are that you should be focused on to achieve two things that you need for hormone balance. Either one, help your body produce the right hormones and the right levels, or two, help your body to detox excess hormones when you have too many of them, and it's that constant seesaw of balance that your body is trying to strive for. So here are the 5 things that you should focus on when it comes to what to eat. Number 1, you heard me say this before, protein, fat, fiber is your secret weapon and combination. You want to focus every meal on a clean, high quality protein, a good source of fiber, and high quality fats. You need all 3 of those things to keep blood sugar levels balanced, to give your body the building blocks that it needs to make hormones, and to support the liver's ability to detoxify excess hormones. Eat real food. Aim to eat things that do not come out of packages as much as possible when you're traveling like I was last week. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do, but aim to eat clean, real, whole foods as much as possible. Number 2, leafy green vegetables, and I'm going to combine that with number 3. Cruciferous vegetables are your friend and secret weapon when it comes to keeping your blood sugar balanced, which remember is a hormonally driven issue, and balancing your hormones at large, whether they're sleep hormones, digestive hormones, period hormones, all the hormones. Leafy green vegetables are rich in vitamins that your body needs to make hormones, such as B vitamins, magnesium, vitamin C, A, and E. We need lots of leafy green vegetables. They're also a wonderful source of fiber. Fiber helps to keep blood sugar balanced. It also helps to promote regular digestion, which is part of your body's ability to get excess hormones out. So we need the fiber. Cruciferous vegetables have a substance in it, for short, known as DIM, that is powerful with helping the liver to detoxify excess estrogens in particular in the body. So we want lots and lots of cruciferous vegetables. You want to aim for half of your plate to be vegetables when you're eating. You want about 7 to 9 servings of vegetables a day. And I know that sounds right, but if you think about it, an average size serving is about half a cup. So it's really not as much when you think about the average size of a salad or a side portion on your plate. And smoothies are a great way to kind of pack up several servings into one. Number 4, healthy fats. Fat is not bad. You need the right kind of fat, not gunky trans fats that comes from like fried foods and things like that. You want good, clean, healthy fats that your body can turn into good cholesterol, which is the building block of hormones. You need fat. Things like coconut oil, avocado oil, olive oil, macadamia nut oil, ghee, or grass-fed butter if you can tolerate dairy, and nuts, just to name a few. Salmon and fatty fish is a wonderful source of healthy fats as well, but we need lots of good fat as women to make hormones and keep our bodies balanced. You want 1 to 2 tablespoons per meal of healthy fats throughout the day. And then number 5, clean protein. You heard me say this before, but my mantra is meat is not bad, and actually eating a strict veganism way of eating for many women can be the cause behind many hormone imbalances, especially thyroid issues. If you have a thyroid issue, veganism, you really should not be eating in that way in particular, primarily because the best source of protein does come from meats, and it is the most bioavailable for the body. And most fake meats and things like that are so laden with chemicals and hormone disruptors that you actually are doing yourself more harm than good. We can talk more about that later. But clean protein, clean meaning grass-fed, wild caught where possible. Obviously the quality matters. We don't want protein that's laden with souped up hormones and like food, not great foods that that particular animal has been eating. So fish, poultry, red meat, and nuts are all great sources of proteins. You want about 6 ounces of fish or poultry. You want to keep your red meat serving to about 4 ounces, and about 1/4 of a cup of nuts is the average serving size. So those are the 5 foods that you want to kind of focus on to balance your hormones. And stick with me this week. I'll share some recipes to get you going. Talk soon. Have a great week.